Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. And we're still at the east fence over here. A bunch of bees over here. So this is 61 east fence. It's a little nuke pipe frame that I pulled the top off and everything. I said, well, let's just go ahead and make a video of them. You might see something interesting. So I hope y'all enjoy it. There we go. Hope y'all enjoy it. Okay. Okay, this frame over here has got some honey on it, and it's attached to this frame. So let's just smoker don't look like it's lit anymore. But they say I'm gonna have to light it. Some of these little nukes, they get pretty bad. It could be because they've got a lizard over here playing. I seen when I first got here this morning. That could be why they're a little upset. We had some rain yesterday and last night. Right now it's overcast. So let's see what we can do now. See if they can behave. What to do with the thing, Sam? I remember when I first started, the bee would sting me or something on my hand, and that hive tube would go flying across the yard. I try not to do that anymore. They may need another box, is why they got this filled up over here. Ah, that's a honey super. Okay, that's honey super. Got the little honey on it. Got some nectar on it. This is where it was hooked to this other frame and it got tore off. We're going to stick it right there. See what else? Looks like they got room. Come on, girls. Knock it off, put it down the bottom. There we go. Give them something to do. Now, this one here is about half done. Got honey on it. Got one bug down here. Had a bug down there. this is what they got here. Bottom looks clean other than what I just dropped down there. And I haven't cleaned the tops of them off yet. I just pulled the top off. Good girls. Some of them get kind of excited if you don't see them too often, and got a little queen cup there, but nothing's in it. Know what to do, leave me a message. This one here has nectar in it. Has this little queen cup here we're going to cut off. Nothing was in it. Don't think. That's stemless, filled with nectar. That's the third one in. We haven't seen queen yet, have we? Haven't even seen an egg, Sam. Yeah, well. You ain't cut nobody's head off. Yellow queen has some honey, has some pollen, has some brood, has some drone cells. She's a little dark queen. This one over here has drones. It has drones in the hive too. There's a little yellow queen right here. There she is. But that's got some eggs and larvae in there. This is drone brood here. There's worker brood and larvae and eggs in that one. Doesn't have enough to really be ready to swarm. But if she's laying the eggs for drones, we don't want them mating with these queens anyway. It comes out of this hive. That would be called inbreeding, which would mean could be a mean bee, a bad bee, not a good bee. This one here has some honey and a couple of brood, a couple of queen cells down here. One of them even closed. Nectar, pollen. Got one queen cell that's closed. This one right here is closed. This one right here is open. So I'd say that would be about 6 days old, maybe 7. That has some drones and stuff on it. Bottom looks clean. The bees look healthy. So we don't know what we're going to do. Now, I could take queen from this one, from 61, and put it in this one over here, which is 306. 306 doesn't have a queen. Or I could just take the eggs out, put over there. If I took the queens, put her over there, I'd have to put her in a cage, I think. We're not going to do anything right now. We'll give them a couple of days to see what they're going to do. Don't want to do that though. Well, take the one with the eggs, or the cells. See if we got any eggs in there. There's no eggs. I think we're just going to leave this one like it is, and maybe the queen's not mated properly or something and they're just getting rid of it. But we're going to leave them like they are, let nature take its course. This one has brood. And honey and a yellow queen. We're going to put her back in here and just leave her in there. And we'll see what happens. We're going to get this one and turn it around backwards from what it was. Okay. Put their water dish back in. We might even get them some water. And food dish, we're going to give them a different food dish. We're going to give them this food dish, which is one of our regular feed dishes that we put in here. A little white piece of grass or something on there. Thought it might be a worm. Okay. A little bit more. Pollen patties. Or peppermint patties. Peppermint candy. We get it right. Yeah, I'll start with a P. Take your floaters, put back in here. No bugs is on it. That should take care of them. We need another top. That one's high enough for the other one, but wasn't high enough for this one too. So we're going to put that there, put that there, and we're going to put that there. Now this one has a queen, plus it has eggs. So what we're going to do, that's queen. Get a couple broken bricks. Okay, we'll put a couple broken bricks on there so we'll know that there's an egg in there too. Okay, that's this one. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment. What you think I'm supposed to do with that native red yellow queen and the eggs? Y'all give us a comment. Have a great day today. Weekend coming up. Week coming up. Give us a comment, thumbs up, share, subscribe, and be happy. See y'all later.